How does iShowSpeed get so many views and subscribers? If you're trying to grow your channel from 0 subs and you want to learn from how he did it, and you also want to make money from ads, then this video is for you. I will explain what he did to get so big. And for those who stay till the end, I'm going to give a special golden tip as well. Oh, I just hit my mic, man. Okay, this is Mahad from Tupasal here. Let's get right into this. Okay, the first thing is pretty obvious. It's comedy. Are you funny on your videos? Do you actually make jokes? Do you smile? Do you even show your face? Well, Speed uses comedy. Okay, he first started his channel on December 27th, 2018. He started streaming Fortnite gameplay. So he got a face cam and he had terrible audio, but he was still streaming. He tried different games. He played NBA 2K and he played some wager matches where he played for money, and those actually got him a lot of views. But people started liking how he rages and they were actually commenting in the chat to make him rage even more.
Dead ass.
And what they would do is they would timestamp which part of the video that he would rage at so other people can watch it. And one of the first videos that popped up on his channel was his rage compilation, like a bunch of rage moments that he had in his videos. Okay! People really connected with his personality. They wanted to see this guy rage. He was quite unique, a quite strange character. Even now when you look at him, you think, is this guy even being real? Is he really like this? He's just so funny. His reaction to things is just out of this world. And you think that he's actually a dumb person, but he's not dumb. He's actually quite smart and he's very persistent. He blew up in 2020. He's been making videos for so many years, and in 2020 he started becoming even more consistent with his streams on YouTube. He went from 400 viewers to 1,000 viewers to 2,000 viewers, 3,000 viewers. But he didn't just stop with his gaming videos. He made in real life videos. Where there was so much variety. That is another thing that he did. He had various types of videos. So when you go to his channel to watch it, you wouldn't even know what's gonna happen. You wouldn't even know when he's going to rage. So you just end up staying for the whole video and just laughing super hard. And people will actually take his clips from his videos where he's raging or doing something very funny, and they would put it on other platforms such as TikTok. And then people would go from TikTok to YouTube, and that would actually make him even more famous. He became a meme basically, this guy. So on your channel, you need to have a lot of variety in your editing, in your style, in everything, because it makes things a bit more interesting when you have different things in your channel. But if you do the same thing over and over, then it just kind of becomes boring. So it's good to have variety. That's what he did. There was also another thing that helped him blow up even more during 2022. There was a World Cup during that year. And this guy, he loves football. He basically worships the great footballer Ronaldo. He has his shirt on all the time, the number 7. And he also does that Ronaldo shout thing, that sui thing.
Muchas gracias, afición. Este para vosotros.
Soccer, football team do you support?
Cristiano Ronaldo, Sui.
And that became a meme as well. I mean, I myself, when I was recording, I was actually quite shy in the beginning. Oh my god, the first time I put on the camera, I actually stopped talking. I actually just froze. I just looked at the camera. Yeah, I know it's embarrassing. That's basically how shy I was when I started recording on YouTube in the beginning. I was just so shy, but now I'm a bit more comfortable. So it just takes practice. This guy, iShowSpeed, he's not shy at all. He just goes for it. He's just himself on camera, so people come for that. Okay, right now, let's just stop for a second. My name is Mahad from Tupasal here. I make videos on how to grow on YouTube and how to get more views, subscribers, wealth, and more. If this video is helping you out right now, hit that subscribe button. It only takes a second. Wait, have you done it? Have you done it? Have you clicked subscribe? Have you done it? Okay, yeah, thank you, you done it. Okay, thanks. Okay, let me know what you think has helped iShowSpeed. Is it actually his raging, or do you think it's the comedy, or do you think it's the consistent streaming? What do you think has helped him out? Let me know down in the comment section below. Is it his raging or his consistent streaming? In 2022, the World Cup was going on and he was doing football. So he made a song for the World Cup and all of his streaming, everything, and he streamed himself being at the World Cup matches. So all of that together actually made him go even more viral. And now he has 30 million subscribers. In real life streams across Europe, Asia. He just travels to all of these different countries and he streams the whole thing. And in every country that he goes to, they all know him. So that's another thing that he does. He puts effort into his videos. If you put effort into your videos, people will notice and they will subscribe from that. Okay, let's carry on. He has this kind of like beef with Messi fans. Every time someone says in the comments Messi is better than Ronaldo, he gets angry and he rages even more. So people always try to get him to rage, even now. He took part in the Sidemen charity match, which is held by the Sidemen YouTube channel in the UK, and that actually helped him reach a more broad audience in the UK and in the world. So all of these different streaming things together has helped him garner a huge audience worldwide. And there really is no one like him. This guy has been consistent for so many years. He may have had some controversies and some mishaps with meat reveals involving crypto scams and saying terrible things to other streamers and posting the wrong things and having controversial tweets and everything. But he's still one of the fastest growing YouTube channels. I shall meet. But he's still one of the fastest growing YouTube channels, and he's still consistent and still growing. So he didn't give up. Okay, you can also get big like Speed if you don't give up and you keep learning. Right now, don't give up, keep going, keep making videos. You can do this, I believe in you. Mahal from 2Pascal here says that I believe in you. Let's make it to the top together, grind don't stop. No pain, no gain. You fail to plan, you plan to fail. If this video has helped you out so far, let me know. I also have made another video that details how exactly you can make money from YouTube once you get views. The link is right here.